Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making New Orleans beef and shrimp yaka-mein. Enjoy the video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe you will need chuck roast, shrimp, spaghetti noodles, green onion, garlic, eggs, beef broth, beef bouillon cube, Louisiana hot sauce, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, season all, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and accent. We're going to begin by chopping 4 stalks of green onion. Mince 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, cube roast, Place roast in a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Season roast to taste with season all, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, onion, and accent. Mix until evenly combined. Peel and devein the shrimp, place them in a bowl, and add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Season shrimp to taste with season all, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and accent. Mix evenly until combined. In a pot, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add beef. Cover with lid and allow to simmer for 6 minutes on a medium heat. Remove lid and give a quick mix. Add minced garlic. Add 2 tablespoons of Louisiana hot sauce. Add 1/8 cup or 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and mix well. Add 4 cups of beef broth. Add 1 beef bouillon cube. Cover with lid and allow to simmer on a medium heat for 1 hour. After 1 hour, add 1 cup of water and simmer for 20 minutes or until the beef is tender. In the meantime, boil noodles until al dente. Boil 4 to 6 eggs for 12 minutes and place them in an ice bath for 10 minutes to allow them to cool and make easier to peel. Peel and slice eggs. Remove the yaka-mein from heat and allow to cool for 10 minutes. While the yaka-mein is cooling, we're going to saute our shrimp. In a skillet, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add shrimp and cook for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. When you begin to see pink, that's an indicator that it's time to flip. Remove shrimp from skillet. Add shrimp into the yaka-mein. Plate yaka-mein, add eggs, and garnish with green onions. And there you have it, New Orleans beef and shrimp yaka-mein. We hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. And remember to tell everyone you know, them and Memphis be cooking.